finish this here. I lock it down. See this car. Boom. Seating. Boom. Seating. Boom. Back seating. Boom. Back seating. That shit look good too. Boom. Seal it in. God damn, boy. I did all that shit, boy. This ceiling was fucked. You can ask anybody who rode in here, this ceiling's messed up, boy. Look at that, boy. That's like a brand new car, boy. Look at that seat, boy. And I got the seat now, so I won't get no ashes or nothing down or no cherries or nothing. Cause the seat's down there like in good condition. Feel me? Good ass job there. Look at that. I got the back seats in there. I got the front seats in there. And I got them working like they working. Look at that roof. Boy, that motherfucker crispy, boy. Crispy, boy.